Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to make this happen to this, because these are the facelift SG mirrors. I'm going to tap into this to finally get these to start working when I indicate. First course of action is to take the door card off, so I'll start on that. So, just to update you guys, I am working on an Australian Forester. It might be different for the JDM ones or the USDM ones, but if you come in, this is the wiring for the mirror, and I have only cut the white and the green wires. So these ones are for the indicator. I think the green is ground and the white is power, or the other way around. I'll update you guys on that. But just to make sure that I have cut the right ones, I plugged in the switch for the mirror again. And it all still works. Up, down, left and right. So green and white wire. The extension cable I'm going to use is this. I picked it up from Super Cheap. It's 25 amp. It's quite a thick cable. I think it's close to 14 gauge. I think you can, I've read online that you can use 16 gauge wiring as well. I'm going to splice this in to both wires and then cut it to length, because I'm not too sure how long I need. So I'm going to do that first and then cut it to length. Alright, just to update, these are the wires that are going in. I fed them through the hole here. There's a little boot in here. This, I've cut a slit in it to feed these wires so that they're somewhat hidden. Of course I pick a red wire to make it really bright, and then we're going to feed it in through here, which is the fender. Alright, I'm going to try and tee into both of these. I don't actually remember which of these wires is ground and power on the indicator connectors. So I'm just going to do it by trial and error. So hopefully I can splice into these and just test ground and power. I've labelled this one with this bit of tape as power. So this one's connected to the white wire on the mirror. And then this one is connected to ground. So we'll trial and error, see if they work. There we go. So the white wire, the one with the tape on it, power goes to green, and the green wire from the mirror goes into the black one. It's flashing! Probably the worst splicing job you will ever see, but it's done. Now just cover this up, chuck it back in, and away we go. Because I'm a noob and I don't really know how to do much of this stuff, what I've done, I've just cut some of this this heat shrink wrapping, cut it in half, so that I can fit it over these wires here. I just don't want these copper wires to touch when they're inside the sleeve. So I've just cut it up, wrap it around, gonna put some masking tape on it, gonna do it for the other one as well. And just put a little cable tie on these. Now I'm just gonna put the indicator back in. So we finally got fender indicator, headlight indicator, and now the mirror indicator working. Rinse and repeat on the other side. Quick, concise tutorial for you guys. Best information I can leave you with at home if you want to do this for your Forester is this little cheat sheet I did up. Power and ground for both indicator on the fender and the mirror. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.